I'm Samuel Ayodele Mesele. I'm a soil scientist and I work with the International Institute of Tropical Agriculture. I am based in Liberia and I'm also the regional hub for Fertilizer and Soil Health in West Africa and the Sahel country focal person. Liberia is a very unique country and it's an agrarian community, and there are lots of agricultural challenges, and a major one is the issue of soil resources. The knowledge or information of soil resources as well as management of soil resources to improve agricultural productivity. The last soil survey that was done in Liberia dated in the 1970s. And of course, you know that a lot of things have changed after that time, and you can no longer rely on that information to make agricultural decisions at this period of time. Apart from those information are not even readily available. So the hub is contributing with the help of IITA, and the hub is hosted at IITA, and as a country focal person based in Liberia, we are helping to look into the aspect of digital soil information, that is how to access and how to use digital soil information for agricultural decision planning. So in conjunction with the EU-funded Soils4Liberia Project, we are helping to do a nationwide soil survey of the entire soil resources of Liberia, focusing on agriculture, land suitability assessment, and also the variation of all these quantifying soil health indicators in the country. And beyond that, we are also supporting the enhancement and building of laboratory capacities. Because as we hear today, in Liberia, we do not have a fully functional soil analytical laboratories. So with the help of the hub, we have done some preliminary assessment to see where the gaps are. And now with the support of the hub and the Soils4Liberia project, we are trying to provide the equipment and also provide the technical capacity, particularly with the University of Liberia, so that at least we can have a one reference, fully functional laboratory. Recently, we conducted a training of laboratory technicians, as well as the installation of the equipment that we have purchased through this collaboration, which is atomic absorption spectrometer. In short form, it is called AAS, and it is useful for elemental and nutrient analysis. And if this one is absent in the lab, you cannot say you have a functional laboratory. Along with that, we help them to review their SOPs and guided them through the various analytical procedures. This process is supposed to continue even up to quality control and the entire laboratory management domain. In addition to all this that we are doing, we are also helping to look into the area of site-specific fertilizer recommendation, because what we have and what farmers use is a blanket recommendation. So we are trying to see, understanding the geomorphology, the variation in soil properties, and the land use practices, as well as agroecology. It is needed for you to enhance productivity. You must have site-specific recommendation that will align to the peculiarities of the farmers as well as their socio-economic realities. So with this, we actually started last year with the support of the hub, looking at what we call nutrient emission trials, and we set up this in 50 farmers field. It is farmer-led and researcher supported in 50 farmers field across Liberia, focusing on Bon County, Magibi, and Lofa. So we have just completed that experiment now, and data analysis is ongoing. From there, we'll do some synthesis to see what information we have, and possibly this year too, we also want to go ahead to look into the validation trials, and from there gradually we hope to contribute towards improving the situation in Liberia. This experiment actually focused on rice, because as you know that in Liberia, rice is the major crop, is the major staple food. The importance of this for farmers is that by the time farmers have site-specific information on nutrient use, they can improve their yield, they can increase yield, and once yield is increased, their profit level will also increase. And we're also doing training for some of the farmers too, so it also helps when knowledge increases, because agriculture is basically science. So, and it's good to drive agriculture. You want to have productivity or high profit or high return on investment, it's good to drive agriculture with science. So by the time we are able to generate all this information and it's being made accessible to the farmers' income will increase, and of course their entire livelihood.